happy guy. Oh, just a happy, happy, happy guy. Oh, just a look at that, a happy, oh, the happy dog. Oh, just a happy, happy, happy dog.
You know what? One day we're going to talk about boundaries, okay? I'm not your pillow. Just because you can lay anywhere you want to, you're a little... Thank you.
Just did a good thing. I don't regret this thing at all. And you're wondering what it is. I'll tell you what I did a good.
Go in your dust bath. Oh my God. That was a lot. Okay. Wow.
Sir? Sir, can you help me? I was hoping for a better, stronger drink. If you... What? Can I? Wait, that's mine.
What does this scare off my other?
I don't know. I love you, but you're so stupid.
You're my honey bun, sugar plum, pumpy pumpkin. You're my sweetie pie. You're my cupcake, gumdrop, snickums, spickums. You're the apple of my eye. And I love you so, and I want you to know that I'll always be right here. And I love to sing 3 songs to you because you are so dear.
Splish splash, I was taking a bath on about a Saturday night. Yeah, rubbing up, just relaxing in the car, thinking everything was alright.
So my dog loves peanut butter, and it goes right in that Kong. My mom has taught him that if I were to sit down and put my hand, he puts it in my hand for me so that I can put peanut butter in it. What? I think he's excited. Hey buddy, you want some peanut butter? This is Baxter, everybody.
I'm sorry, buddy. Your TikTok followers aren't following you on Instagram.
So, we got Joey a cone because he got neutered yesterday. And, well, it didn't really go very well, as you can see. And after a little while, he started screaming bloody murder, and he ended up getting it off of him. So we had to come up with an alternate solution. Here is his flight neck pillow cone.
Everybody keeps commenting, how do you know your cat's actually deaf? Watch this. Kitty! Kitty! Oh. Kitty! Not you, Sam. The cat. Kitty! Kitty! I'm not yelling at you, Bubba.
And the most asked question of the day, do I touch them? Do I go in with them? The answer is yes! I do.
The reason why I don't show it on this app all the time is because then people think they could go up to a wild animal, be in a zoo or just crossing a barrier, whatever, and pet them. A lot of people also interpret petting and being able to pet an animal like this as they would make a great pet. And they absolutely do not. They're all wild animals. Can I go in with the animals? Yes. Can I pet some of the animals? Yes. But I have a different relationship with each animal at the center. Some allow me to pet them and some don't. We do go in with all of the cats here. Some keepers only go in with specific cats, and we always make sure to have 2 people in with us in the enclosure for safety reasons. Again, I'm a professional, and that's why I could do what I do. All right, guys, you wanted it. Khan's story. Once upon a time, there was a caracal named Khan, and he was always grumpy. The end. No, I'm joking, but the one thing that does make Khan happy is food. And he makes sure to growl when he eats it, which is extra cute. Total mood. So caracals are found in Africa and Asia. They are a really awesome cat because they could jump up to 10 feet. Yep, 10 feet in the air. So he's been with us ever since he was a kitten and continues to be grumpy every day. He is a sweetheart deep down, but he just has that grumpy exterior. Everyone meet Forrest. Forrest is a fisher. So Forrest was took out of the wild when he was really young and raised by a family who was not a licensed rehabilitator. Sorry, I'm back. It started snowing and it's cold. So Forrest was taken in by a family who thought they could raise him, but unfortunately, you can't do that. He's really excited right now because there's food. So eventually they realized they were in over their heads and gave Forrest to a rehabilitator. Nom nom nom. Unfortunately, by that time, Forrest had bonded to humans and couldn't be re-released into the wild. They even tried introducing him to other fishers. So now he lives here with us, and he loves chasing his tail and going for a swim in his pool. Right? Bye.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
Know that you are good enough. Please don't give up when things get tough.
This is a frill dragon. Looks like one of those animals in Jurassic Park that spits the poison. But these are not venomous at all, and they're actually come from Australia and New Guinea. And look at that. They really aren't that big a lizard, but man, they have an attitude and they look huge when they're ready to attack you. Look at that guy. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Look at that. Is that cool or what? I love it.
Interesting thing. I have a pigeon
Come
sitting
here.
on my head right now.
Billy. My turn.
Um,
Billy.
Well, Holly went for a run, and this pigeon followed her home, and he's on Holly's head now. But this pigeon followed her home, and is just now he's back on my head. He is about the best friend in the entire world to us, and it's incredibly, like, you have to see this. I'm not kidding you, dude. Like, this, it will go anywhere with us. I don't know, dude. I literally don't know. I've never seen anything like it. I FaceTimed my mom, and my mom watched him jump from my head to Holly's head. Like, just back and forth.
Billy.
Now he's back on he's back on Holly's head right now. He's probably covered in disease. Nope, now he's back on my head.